Court documents show that Donald Trump lied. What a surprise. Donald Trump claimed in documents that his triplex, some people call it a triplex apartment, was 30,000 square feet, when in reality it was only a fraction of that. Take a look at this. Vanity Fair reports court documents show Trump knew his Manhattan triplex isn't actually 30,000 feet. The ex-president signed a document putting the square footage at 10,996 square feet, despite later telling banks it was almost triple the size. More evidence of fraud. Of all the lies New York Attorney General Letitia James has accused Trump of telling as part of an alleged scheme to overvalue his assets for monetary gain, the most ridiculous one arguably concerns his penthouse at Trump Tower. Trump claimed in official bank statements the triplex is 30,000 square feet. In reality, it is 1/3 that size. Clearly a very big difference. According to a document revealed by prosecutors Tuesday, Trump is fully aware of that. So it's, no surprise. This is what's in the documents. Trump signed off on it. It's a discovery that shocks absolutely no one. We have more evidence that Trump lied again, and lied on purpose, and lied knowingly. Now, this may shock you. I also don't believe Trump is really 6'3" and 215 pounds. And I believe Trump knows that he's not 6'3" nor 215 pounds. So we have another one of these situations where the conspiracy around the fraud becomes clear. Trump knew he was lying about the size, and thus on that size, the value of the apartment was based. His CFO apparently didn't think that this was a problem, and a competent CFO would see that as a red flag right away and look at everything that's been declared on these applications for financing. But we now know that the CFO, Alan Weisselberg, also appears to have been complicit in this fraud. And so what's going to be next? The facts don't care about your feelings, people coming out and saying, well, square footage is a matter of opinion. It felt like 30,000 square feet because of all of the gold-plated gaudy stuff that was in the penthouse or something like that. And it's funny timing on this. As some of you know, I am working on my forthcoming nonfiction book for adults. This is not a kid's book, for adults. Echo is the name of it. And one of the chapters is on fact versus opinion. And I've distinguished before, one question is, what are the facts, right? So the facts would be, is Trump's apartment 10,000 or 30,000 square feet? But the modern Republican Party and the MAGA right actually can't even get to a conversation about what are the facts, because they don't even understand what are facts. And what I mean by that is there is now a confusion or a distortion of what sort of statement qualifies as a fact. Chocolate ice cream is the best. That's a fact. Well, no, that's an opinion. Oh, well, here's a survey showing people like chocolate ice cream more than any other ice cream, so it's a fact. No, that's an appeal to popularity, and it is still a statement of opinion. This is just an example. We have a situation right now where Republican elected officials are weaponizing their constituency's ignorance about what sorts of statements are facts versus opinion. I feel that the vaccine is dangerous. Oh, but we don't have evidence of that. No, but look at all these people who are worried about it, so therefore it's dangerous. That's not the way facts actually work. So this is going to be a big topic in my forthcoming book, and we'll have plenty of time to talk about that. Let me finish writing the book first, please. But in all seriousness, progress update, I'm about 40,000 words in to what will be a roughly 75,000 page book. So we've passed the 50% mark, which is really exciting.